Hi guys, it's Stock Curry, and early Monday morning, China announced that their economic data missed expectations. In addition, things continue to be difficult at home. So in today's video, I've got the best stocks to buy now that could go up during a recession. So let's get into it! Early Monday morning, China announced that their consumer and factory data missed expectations for July. Retail sales only grew by 2.7%, and that was almost half of the 5% growth that was forecast. In addition, industrial production only rose by 3.8%, well below the 4.6% expectations. Investment into real estate and manufacturing also slowed at a faster pace in July. So overall, China's economy is slowing at a much faster pace than expected, and this is going to have a significant negative effect on the global economy, including the US stock market. It will be one of the things that could push stocks down this week. And here in the US, consumers continue to cut back on expenses as rising childcare costs and gas prices cut back on things that consumers spend money on, such as therapy. People are cutting back on therapy, and this really has me concerned for Gen Z, because I just don't know how Gen Z is going to survive without getting therapy. In addition to childcare, gas, and food prices rising, rent is also climbing really fast, and this could put a significant effect on the amount of money that consumers are able to spend. On the mortgage side, mortgage rates are back above 5%, which is going to slow down how fast people are able to buy homes. And in fact, we are already seeing that with homes staying on the market longer and realtors thinking that they have finally hit the turning point where real estate is going to start dropping in price rather than continuing to go up. And in addition to rising prices hurting consumers, tech companies especially continue to do layoffs in order to reduce their workflows due to an overhiring during the pandemic. So things are bad globally and things are bad here in the US. With the recession continuing to wage on, with prices continuing to increase, consumers having less money to spend on goods and services, and with rental rates rising and layoffs ballooning, everything is looking really bad for the US economy. Ultimately, this is going to hurt stocks and it's going to push stock prices down. That said, there are a number of stocks that will do quite well during a recession. So let's get into those stocks that will do well during a recession. But first, I have a short-term play for you guys. Tesla is getting ready for a 3-for-1 stock split on August 24th. That's about 1 week from today. Now, normally when a company has a stock split coming up, you will see the share price rise going into the stock split in a typical buy the hype, sell the news event. So this could be a really good week to be long on Tesla by either buying the shares or buying call options. However, you will want to sell that before the stock split actually occurs, because very often after the stock splits, the price will then come down. Now let's talk about our stocks that will specifically do well during a recession. And the ultra-rich are fueling sales of luxury brands despite inflation and recession fears. And that's because the ultra-rich are often buffered from the effects of inflation and recession. Now, even though the middle class will cut back on these luxury brands, the ultra-rich make up more than 80% of these luxury brands' customers, and the ultra-rich are increasing their sales by 30%. So the net effect is the 30% increase from 80% of their customers is outweighing the 20% drop-off from the middle class. And these companies are seeing increased profits and revenue growth. So some of the companies that you might want to consider include Ferrari, ticker symbol RACE, and Capri, ticker symbol CPRI. Now, there are also 4 things that consumers continue to spend money on during a recession, and 2 of those categories will actually go up during a recession, and 2 of the categories will remain flat during a recession. The 2 categories that will go up include alcohol and gambling. So think your casinos, think any alcohol stocks such as some of the beer stocks. And the 2 things people will not cut back on even during a recession include their beauty and pharmacy products. People are spending a lot of money on makeup and beauty, and that is helping retailers that sell these products. Experts attribute the rise in makeup sales to tough economic times because people like to indulge in affordable splurges. Some of the stocks you might want to consider are Estee Lauder, that's ticker EL, Ulta Beauty, ticker ULTA, and my favorite, Walgreens Boots Alliance, ticker WBA, which not only includes cosmetics, they also include the pharmaceutical side. Now, I do want to stress that none of the stock picks I just mentioned are a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold. These are just my opinions, which may or may not be accurate. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research or contact a financial advisor before investing into any asset. All right, now let's get into the economic and earnings news to watch out for this week. On the economic side, on Wednesday, we have the Census Bureau, which reports the retail sales data for July. Consumer spending is expected to increase 0.2% month over month. Excluding autos, retail sales are expected to be flat. Now, the big earnings this week are going to be focused on the retail side. We already know retailers are hurting. Expectations for these earnings are already extremely low, and most of these stocks are pricing in an earnings miss. So just keep in mind that with these extremely low expectations, and even coming in at expectations or slightly above, should push these retail stock prices up higher. And the retail stock earnings that we want to watch out for this week are Tuesday before the open, which includes Walmart and Home Depot. And then Wednesday before the open, we have Target and Lowe's. And then Thursday before the open, we have Kohl's and BJ's. In addition to that, you can see a few other stocks in here that you might be interested in, including ZipRecruiter Monday after the close, Agilent Technologies Tuesday after the close, Cisco Wednesday after the close, as well as Bed Bath & Body Works Wednesday after the close, Applied Materials and Ross Thursday after the close, and John Deere and Foot Locker Friday before the open. All right, that covers all of the economic and earnings data for this week. The last thing I need to let you know about is that a fight just broke out. That's right, a fight just broke out between Webull and Moomoo. So first, Webull comes out and they do 6 free stocks. And then Moomoo comes out and they do 10 free stocks. And then Webull comes out and they do 12 free stocks. Now, Moomoo has one-upped Webull and they're offering 13 free stocks. Now, this offer is only good for 2 weeks, and it's only good if you use my link in the description below. So if you want to get now 13 free stocks with Moomoo, again, it's only good for 2 weeks. That's it, and then it's over. You can do Webull for 12 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. You can do Moomoo for up to 13 free stocks. It's an all-out fight. Get your bets in, get your free stocks. You don't want to miss out on this. If you sign up for Webull and Moomoo together, you could potentially get 25 free stocks. That is insane. I love the fight. I love the competition. And you are the big benefiter to all of this competition between Moomoo and Webull. So if you want to get Moomoo's up to 13 free stocks, you can sign up at stockcurry.vip/Moomoo. That's stockcurry.vip/Moomoo. If you want to get Webull's up to 12 free stocks, you can sign up at stockcurry.vip/Webull. That's stockcurry.vip/Webull. Again, the offers are only good for 2 weeks, then that's it. They're done. You do have to sign up and get your deposit in before the end of this month. So don't wait. Get in there. Get it done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you're on YouTube, click the bell icon and click all so that you can get notified when I release my next video. I hope you have a lot of success trading, and I will see you tomorrow.